Most people wait until they crash before they course correct. I didn't want to wait to fall apart. So instead, I built a strategy that has helped me age with agency. And no, I'm not special or genetically gifted. I've just learned how to read and trust my body and how to support it before it screams at me. So people always ask me, should I start hormone therapy? Do supplements actually work? Are peptides worth the investment? Are food and lifestyle enough these days? And to be honest, I've asked the same. And today I'm going to walk you through exactly what I did and what I didn't do on my road to optimizing hormones, improving sleep, and protecting my brain and body for the long haul because I have a lot to do in this lifetime and I want to feel good while I do it. So I started with food, not trends, truth. I started by adding protein in bioavailable ways that I already enjoyed. Things for me include full fat cottage cheese, wild caught salmon, avocados, pistachios. I ditched the low fat culture noise and focused on foods that actually feed my hormones. This includes a wide array of healthy fats. So, in my journey, protein became completely non negotiable, especially in the morning. It helped me stabilize my blood sugar, and I noticed that my mood, my skin, and my sleep all shifted in the direction I was hoping for. So, all of this is just to say before you add pills, peptides, or patches, optimize your plate instead. It may not be trending, but it is powerful. And you'll save a lot of money on products that may or may not be bioavailable to your body. Next up, movement. I'm a fitness expert for 25 years now. I have taught women in optimizing movement for their hormonal balance. So I know that it's not just any movement. We want strength-based, fascia-smart workouts like body lava and bar blend. No hour and a half long sessions that spike cortisol, make us stressed out and burned out. I choose efficient, hormone-aware training that actually builds lean muscle and keeps my joints young and healthy. And of course, sleep. My sleep time is sacred. Same wake up time, same wind down time. That consistency is key. So for me in the evening, I have to do nervous system down regulation. For me, that can be no screens before bed, red light therapy, breath work, and other sleep enhancing routines. So for me, all of this wasn't a fitness plan. It's actually all combining to be a cellular strategy. How we move matters. Then came stress, of course, the silent saboteur. I doubled down on nervous system regulation. Morning sunlight, breath work, healthy boundaries. Supplements helped once I had the foundation. So once I laid the groundwork, I do use a magnesium glycinate, I use omega-3s, and a few trusted nootropics. Supplements are there to support your system, but they don't replace alignment with your body. And HRT. I am absolutely so excited about this development for women. I see it as honestly one of the greatest gifts in recent science as we realize that we need this extra support. So I suspect that as I enter my 50s, that time for HRT is right around the corner because I've spent years regulating my hormones through food, movement, and rhythm. I've been able to maintain hormonal balance with supplemental support. But when I do choose to up level to HRT, it will be from a place of deep strategy, not fear or desperation, right? So all of these systems are in place not to chase youth. It's about preserving and upleveling our function. It's about aging with agency. And I plan on using every aligned tool, medical or otherwise, that are available to help me feel my best as I age. Here's the truth. It is not a choice between HRT, supplements, or lifestyle. Longevity isn't a product you buy. I'm so sorry. I know that would be so easy. Longevity is a lifestyle you build. So start with food and rhythm. Then layer in what your body needs when it needs it. Tune into your intuition, get a good coach or guide. And if you're not sure where to start with what you can control right now: your sleep, your plate, your exposure to sunlight. I'm not here to tell you what is best for you. Only you can do that. I'm just a woman approaching 50 who has helped hundreds of thousands of women feel their best. And I'm just a woman approaching 50 myself who feels better now than I did at 30. And that is because I stopped outsourcing my health and started owning it.